And the Lord has blessed me with this. This is going to take the place of every one of these items. All right, check this out. We've got 3 small dogs and it's always a cleaning process. So we've got a steamer from Shark, we've got Swiffer, we've got another Shark, we got another Swiffer, we got another Shark, we got a dust thing there, and we got a broom. Then out here we've got the old cedar mop and bucket. And the Lord has blessed me with this. This is going to take the place of every one of these items. This is the D100 by UWANT. This is the push-in docking station. Just push it in, push it up like that, start charging. The other ones don't have that. All those other cleaning items, they all take different plugs. With this, there's only one plug, and that's to plug the base into the wall. Now this D100 has one cool thing about it. You can pull this handle back like this, and it'll lay flat where you can get under things like this.
Clearance area. Adjusting suction automatically.
So the handle is like this. You just flip it back. It's got a place right here that latches. You've also got your power button and your mode button right here on top. So it's not going to hurt your wrist as you're using this. It's going to move pretty freely. And that's something the other ones don't do. The UWANT D100 comes with a few extra things. One of them is another gnat roller. Comes with another HEPA filter. Comes with a brush to clean down into the motor port. Comes with a really good owner's manual. Comes with a deep cleaning solution. We're fixing to use this here in just a second. So before we try this out on a few things, what we have to do is push this lever in and pull this out. And we're going to go fill this up with some cleaning solution and some water. This is a cleaning reservoir. It has your wastewater right here, and it's got your solid waste that collects up here. On this side is your clean water. To access this, you just pull this out. This is where your solids will be. This is a deodorizing stick, so in case you don't empty out your waste reservoir in time, it'll keep it from stinking. This is where the HEPA filter goes, by the way. I'm gonna do some black beans.
UWANT D100 at your service. Smart mode. Start cleaning.
Pull this out. The black beans got separated just like that. A real life scenario. You're working in the kitchen and you drop some cornmeal. We're going to turn the power on.
Power mode. Dry mode.
Dry mode. See, I changed the mode right here to dry mode. Hey, look at there. That is pretty good right there now. That is pretty sweet. I mean, there wasn't nothing left. Another real life scenario. Alright, egg broke in the floor. We'll get the shell up. Now what we're going to do with the rest of that. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to pull this back and flip this handle. We're going to hit the power.
UWANT D100 at your high water output.
High water output. We're going to start cleaning. Got a few shells there. I just want to show you before we do the cleaning that this wastewater tank is empty right now. Because real world scenario, like we just did when you drop an egg or some cornmeal or whatnot, you're not going to want to go over here and start mopping your floor with it. You're going to want to put it back on the station and let it clean itself. That's what we're fixing to do. And then when we get done, I'll show you how much dirty water comes out from the roller as it cleans it, but this will also dry the roller. We're going to go straight in to here like this and go like that. We're going to hit this button.
Initiating self-maintenance. Real-time electrolytic antibacterial water activation. Cleanliness intelligence detection infrared.
Now I don't have any way of checking, but this light right here is supposed to kill any kind of bacteria that might be in there during the self-cleaning stage. We're going to let it do its thing. Oh, look, there it goes. It's already rinsing out once. Right up here, it's got forced air that comes out. You'll see that the roller is actually spinning right now. When it gets done cleaning itself, it's going to blow out hot air for an hour, and it's going to dry that roller. This is how much it's got out of it already where it's cleaning itself. You'll see right here it's got a line too. It's got a max for your wastewater. I wished I would have just caught that. It said it was done. It told me I needed to empty out the wastewater to prevent any bacteria from growing in the tank. It's humming right now. You can feel the warm air blowing out. This is the base that will come out it just picks up like that. And if this gets dirty, just wash it out. That's all you have to do. We're going to sit it right back in here, just like that. This base will go in and pull out just like that. Whenever you get ready to charge it,
Drying resumed.
push it up like that. So if you don't want it to talk to you, push it.
Volume down.
That'll turn the volume down.
Voice prompt off.
That's going to turn it off to where it's not going to talk to you at all. So if that bothers you, you can turn that off. Another cool feature about this is it will get right up against the wall as you're trying to vacuum mop at the same time. But you know your mop's going to do that. Well, what's the mop going to do? It's going to leave residue on your baseboard, and that's not good. This isn't going to do that. It's going to get up right next to it. You don't have to worry about the motor, everything getting wet. It's all waterproof. So when you go to clean it, you don't have to worry about that. Take this mop head off, squeeze this together like that. Take that out. There's a button over here on the side. Push it. You'll lift it up. All this right here can be washed off in your sink. I'm going to slide that back on. Bring this back around and click it back in place. And if you got dogs like me and you keep a mop bucket sitting around all the time, you'll know that if you don't empty that water is going to start stinking. And then your mop head's going to start stinking. So this is going to eliminate that. I am so blessed that God has blessed me with this.